Hello, welcome back. Again, this is MAT 230. I'm Professor Strong. The purpose of this video is to talk a little bit about class protocol. In other words, how do our classes work? What exactly should you be expecting? So first of all, as I stated in a previous video, the classes are only required on Tuesdays. Thursday's class is optional. And eventually I might make all of the classes optional depending on what your needs are and how people are doing in the class. If people are moving along and progressing well and people's grades are good and you don't really feel that you need to attend the Zoom class, then you won't be required to do that. I'm going to be very, very flexible with attendance. And the reason for that is because we all know that we would rather be in a normal classroom situation, but we can't be. And so online learning isn't ideal. And so we're all trying to make the best of it that we can. So first thing I want to do is to draw your attention to more. So when you click on week 1 topics, this is where this video is located. And then you click on topic 2.1, area between two curves. So every week is going to have 1 or 2 topics. Week 2 has 2 topics. Week 3 will also have 2 different topics. So what I want to do is go through exactly what is in each one of these topic folders. So in the folder for area between curves, the first thing we have here is the textbook reading. If you click on the textbook reading, it is going to take you directly to the OpenStax Calc 2 book for this particular section, 2.1 area between curves. What students need to do is you need to read all of this material over prior to class. I'm going to be using what is referred to as a flipped classroom type of a classroom. And a flipped class means that you watch videos, you read the textbook, you do all of these things prior to coming to class. And so what I'm going to do during class time is we're going to go over problems. Okay, I will go over some of the problems in my notes. We can go over some of the problems from homework. Class time would be better spent me answering your questions rather than me just lecturing, particularly in this type of an environment. So you need to read the OpenStax readings, attempt to do some of the homework problems, watch some of the videos that I posted. All right, so that's under textbook reading. Then under Instructor Resources, we have my class notes. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to what I refer to as my guided notes. So these are my notes with pretty much all of the problems left blank. Normally in a classroom environment, you would print this out and this is what you would be using as I guide you through my lecture. So in other words, these notes take the place of my classroom lecture. So these notes are based on the OpenStax textbook and they parallel everything that is in the OpenStax textbook. So those notes are something that you should try to go over and try to do some of those problems. Now, the class notes videos, and I break these down into 3 parts so that the videos don't get too long. What I'm doing in each of the class notes videos is I am taking my class notes and I am actually going to go through my class notes step by step by step. So you read the OpenStax textbook, you download my notes, you can watch my class notes videos and try to see if you can understand how to do these problems prior to class. All right, under additional resources, we have Paul's online notes, an excellent source of material for also helping you to understand the concepts. And I have Paul's notes for almost every topic. There are videos. I love OCT, which is the Organic Chemistry Tutor. You can choose Khan Academy, Patrick JMT, but I like the Organic Chemistry Tutor videos. And so I'm going to have videos here on these subjects, which you should also watch prior to coming to class. And then finally, in every topic, there is the WebAssign homework. So if you click on that, that will take you directly to WebAssign. And it will probably ask you to sign in. I've already signed in. And so then it will take you directly to WebAssign where you can get started on the homework. All right, so that's the way that every topic looks like. Topic 2, go to 2.2, determining volume. You're going to have the textbook reading. You're going to have my class notes videos, which again, all of this takes the place of my lecture. The additional resources, Paul's online notes, volume of solids by Organic Chemistry Tutor, and then homework in WebAssign. So this is how every single section, every topic is organized in this particular class. So again, using a flipped classroom type of classroom situation where you have to read the textbook, watch the videos, go through my lecture notes, go through any other materials that you have, and do your best. Try to do the WebAssign homework assignments. And if still things are not making any sense to you, then you show up to class and you say, hey, Professor Strong, I don't know how to do this particular problem. And we will sit down and we will try to figure it out. Eventually, you won't be required to come to class if you don't have any questions. If you are doing just fine and my notes are working for you and the videos are working for you and you are understanding everything, then I am not going to require you to actually attend the class. Again, I'm being very flexible on this because I understand the situation that we're all in. All right, as always, if you have any questions, send me a message through more. And until next time, have a great day.